about cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. Oh, we're living in the present.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling annoyed. How are you? Y'all, I'm so annoyed. And if y'all see me keep messing with my eye, it's because my eye is watering real bad. And my makeup keeps like running. And it's just irritating me. But anyways, so today's video is kind of different today. I mean, it is different. This isn't really a wig review. I was sent this wig from a company, and I'm not going to say the company name because one, we don't get no free promotion over here. And two, I'm still working with the company, and this isn't a bash video. I just wanted to see if I could finesse a wig. Because y'all swear up and down I slay everything. And I'm like, what y'all looking at? Y'all not looking at me? Because, baby, I don't slay everything. But I did want to try to, you know, perk up the wig. Because y'all saw it before. Like, it was really, really red. And it wasn't a 99J. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. So, I did go to Walmart and purchase some box dye. And I dyed it burgundy. And I'm loving the color. And as y'all can see, I did cut it a lot. And I may have cut it too much. But I just wanted to play around with the wig. See if I could transform it. And all that good jazz. Like, I like the look. Hold on. I like the look. But I feel like I look like a grandmama. When I say I love 99J, this is the 99J that I'm talking about, not the previous one. But y'all, I just went in with my scissors and my razor comb and I just made it do what it do. For those that don't know, I did go to hair school, so I know a little something. I just don't like to do hair, but I played around with it, and my husband said he like it. So if my husband like it, then that means I look good. Okay, can't nobody tell me no different except for me. I think I look like a grandma, but my husband said the color job looks amazing, and he likes to cut a lot better because y'all saw what I was working with. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. You gon' finesse this wig, hey. You gon' finesse this wig. If you got an ugly color, let me dye it. When the company first sent me this wig, I told them I didn't like it. So they were like, okay, well, we can send you another wig to promote. So they sent me another wig, but then I had health issues, y'all, and I wasn't working for 2 months. So then when I was ready to start working again, I reached out to them and I said, hey, I'm about to start working again. Did you still want me to review this wig? And they were like, no, we don't want you to promote that one anymore. So I actually have another wig on the way from them, and I'm really excited about that. I already know I'm gonna slay it, okay? But so yeah, this isn't like a bash video because I do love the brand that the wig is from, but every wig isn't made for me, you know. The hair is really soft. The only con I would have to say about this wig is that I didn't like how the construction of the wig was made. Like, as you can see, the closure is not even in the middle. But other than that, it's a good wig if you like the previous one, or you can order it and play around with it. But I had fun doing this. You know, I had fun doing this. Y'all know I love me a pixie cut. I love me a shorty, because you know, shawty is a teen. Y'all comment down below and let your girl know. Would y'all like me to try to finesse the other wig that they sent me? Because I got another wig and I ain't feeling that one either. If you guys are interested in this wig, go ahead and send me an email or a DM on Instagram or Facebook, and I will gladly send you the link to this wig. But as far as me putting it out here promoting the wig, that's not happening. As far as the end results, I like it. I think it came out nice. I just don't like the look on me. You know, I'm feeling the cut, I'm feeling the color, but I just feel like I look old. And I know I'm getting old, but I don't want to look old. You know what I'm saying? I don't even get ID'd, okay? I love y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. I mean, this was just a fun video. I do have a wig sale happening October 29th. 1 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. So make sure you guys check your time zone so you can have the correct time. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Shanise Nicole _. Also my Facebook page, which is also Shanise Nicole. Both links will be listed down below in the description box. So make sure you follow my pages to support your girl. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, see y'all in the next video. Peace.